We are pleased to introduce the SPL-12, a state-of-the-art 3-component polyurethane adhesive application unit. This system can be mounted directly onto your vacuum table or installed on the floor to serve multiple vacuum tables arranged in line, providing flexibility for different production layouts. The SPL-12 is equipped with 3 independent pumping stations, 2 for polyols, components A1 and A2, and 1 for isocyanate, component B. One polyol is formulated for fast curing, while the other is slow curing. By mixing them in precise ratios, you can control the adhesive's open time and accordingly the pressing time, optimizing the entire sandwich panel production process. For added convenience, the system can also be equipped with a membrane unwinding device designed to simplify panel pressing on vacuum tables. At Gluestream, we are a customer-focused company. We turn our clients' ideas and requirements into advanced machinery and tailored technological processes that accelerate and improve sandwich panel production.